Hi again. Here now we have the RaceGT wireless keyboard and mouse combo. When I open it, this is a package that just come in from Amazon. This is gray with white keys. Pretty easy, standard key. Nothing too crazy. Comes with a battery port. Take two AA batteries. Now this is rated for 2.4G wireless keyboard. Came with a white mouse. The click on it. 2.4G. And some instructions. Batteries are not included.
This is the keyboard with the mouse. It's supposed to be a quiet keyboard, but it's not very quiet. I don't like that. So I will be returning this keyboard just because of the sound. And it's so long and cumbersome with these additional keys that's here in the middle of this section. I could do without that. So yes, this one is going back.